Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today's recipe will be a carrot cake. In this bowl we have 2 pounds all-purpose flour sifted, a cup and a half granulated sugar sifted, okay. Then we're gonna add 1 cup vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 3 eggs. I'm gonna mix this all together. This will be baked in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Then we're gonna add 3 cups shredded carrots. 3 cups shredded carrots, just like that. To shred them, I use the coarse side of this grate, this side. Mix it in. And I mix in 1 cup chopped nuts. This will also be baked in a 9-inch by 13-inch by 2.5 inches deep baking pan. Okay. The next ingredients I'll be adding off camera. Ground cinnamon, I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon. Baking soda, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon. salt, I'll be adding half a teaspoon. So that's about all the ingredients. The baking container, I'll also be preparing that off camera. Got to grease it and flour it. So I'll get back to you when I'm finished rubbing up these ingredients and when I've packed it in the baking pan. See you then. Okay, the mix, I've completed mixing up the ingredients. This is how it looks. This is the consistency it should be. You might add your ingredients in a different order than the way I did mine. It's all up to you, but the way I added my ingredients, that's the way I chose. Okay, the pan has been greased and floured, so I'll put the ingredients in the baking pan now, just like that. Like I said, the oven has been preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll get back to you when I'm putting the cake in the oven, the mix. Okay, the mix is in the baking pan now. This cake will be baked for 35 to 45 minutes in a 350 degrees preheated oven. When I take it out and when it's done, I'll give you a little peek. See you then. Okay, my friends, I'm back. The carrot cake is finished and I've cooled it. How lovely it looks. This is the top section. No burning. Came out very well. Smells good. What I'm gonna do now is give it a cut to see how the inside is and to see how moist it is. There we go. How lovely it looks. Lovely. How soft it is, how nice. It's looking very good. So this is the carrot cake. How wonderful it looks. Gonna take a bite. It's very good. Wish you were here to share it with you. wonderful, moist, delicious Jamaican carrot cake. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.